Locating pin. Rock and roll. Hand. 2" by 4 1/16. Half-inch thick. Hand. It's a pretty long locating pin. Hammering them down. Nice and flush. Comes the number 23 drill. What's the number 1 drill? 0.23 diameter for a 1/4 tap. It's through coolant too, that's why it looks so awesome. Here comes a spot drill. Give it a chamfer. Chamfer time. Countersink. There's that old tap. I'm gonna go tap that. Just kidding. Ooh, yeah. I like the visual. Does all 4. 2 holes per part. Nice and smooth, like hot butter. Locating pin again. It's going to bring the part towards me. I'm going to remove the part and give it a flip 90 degrees away from me. Just like so. Lay it down so I can do the bore. Then there's a big chamfer for the weld. High flex gloves. Best gloves that I've worked with so far. That's why I always have the one glove on so I don't cut myself when I'm deburring or handling such materials. And so my hands don't get too greasy when I touch the monitor. Dead blow hammer. Hammer time. Here comes the 1/2" high speed 6 flute EMC. Ving, ving, ving. Now it's going to do the nick. The little chamfer on the side. Watch. Nick. Nick. On to the next one. On to the next one. Somebody bring me back some money, please. Nick. And these parts have bushings that get pressed through. You'll see at the end the shiny brass fitting through there. Those are bushings because the shaft goes through 2 of them. Give it some stability. We all need a little stability in our lives, don't we? Sucker's cooking. Looks like it's just barely touching it. Here comes the finisher. Half-inch carbide EMC. 4-flute. Finishing her up. The high speed's just a rougher. It likes it rough. This guy smooths it out. This is the Snoop Dogg of them all. Smooth. AKA the finisher. Finisher. Get over here. Have I been talking for 6 minutes? Yes. That's unfortunate. What's unfortunate is that I barely noticed how long I've been talking. Ponder. It's actually a pretty fast job when you're going to your other machine. Come back and it's already done. Sitting here watching paint dry is a little different. I've never watched paint dry, but I imagine it's very similar to this. You can change it if you want, but I would subscribe first. Maybe finish the video, but I don't know, I like those effects. It's pretty cool. Thought I'd share it. Plus, for all you newcomers out there, this is all it is. Don't be scared. Easy peasy. Here comes those parts. They're coming up. Don't tell anybody. Shh.